Hi, I'm Lorenzo Posocco. I'm a stylist based in Milan, and Valentino asked me to design and style the Montenapoleone window display with the Unboxing Valentino collection. My idea of this window display came from the show. I was in Paris during Fashion Week. I watched the show, and it was a strong element of a street casting, and that's something that I really love from the collection. I wanted to bring back the same ideas into the window display. It was important for me to bring the street into a window display like Montenapoleone. So the idea of the tube, having different kind of casting, different kind of people, different kind of mannequin, and just work on a strong styling elements as well. So we put together some pictures, some references, and then we created something like that. It was different, I feel. If Valentino was a physical place, it would be a big city with a lot of fun, with a lot of nightlife, at the same time very elegant and very European. I love to think about Valentino as this mix of different things together, different culture coming all together, and fun and clubs and art, a mix of things. If I have to describe the vibe of the collection, I love the elegance of the almost haute couture dresses mixed to these more street style elements the tracksuit and the overhaul. And the logo, the idea of having the all over logo, I think it was genius, and it makes the collection look so special. If I could wear only one piece from the unboxing collection, it would be for sure this one. Love it. My $1 million styling trick is to empower the person I'm styled. So just if you feel comfortable and if you feel beautiful when you look at yourself at the mirror, that's made it. The one thing I would recommend my clients to have in a wardrobe would be a black oversized blazer.